we're traveling down and we see a kink out here in his neck. We come down and have a little curve and another curve. And the hip is twisted. The shoulder blades, the right one is a good bit higher than the left here. Little tug, and we're gonna twist, nice and relaxed, nice, and one more time, real relaxed, good, much better. And we see this right one is longer than the left. Nice and relaxed. Nice and relaxed. Good. Okay, this is just real nice and relaxed. We're having a little bit of tennis elbow. That was it. Feel it?
Can I mess with my wrist real quick?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and we'll travel down, and this is nice and straight all the way down. The hips are even, and the shoulders are now even. Fixed.